Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't download any games from Google Play Store as they are stuck on a pending in OnePlus Nord N30. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and here try to download any app. And when we hit the install button, it changes into the pending mode and it's stuck like this forever. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. We need to open our settings, scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Enter date and time and set time automatically. Make sure that it's enabled. You can go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the same app. And as you can see, it works fine now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.